a complete affiliate website using nothing but other people's videos and ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you exactly how the software works and how easy it is to build out a site. So I'm just inside the software here. So all I need to do is go ahead and enter a keyword that I want to search YouTube for related videos for that keyword. So let's say I'm building a site on cryptocurrency. So let's say I want videos on crypto training. So all I do is a simple search. It's going to pull back related videos from YouTube. Now, all I need to do is go in here and click any videos I want added to my site. So I can go ahead and just click as many of these as I want. Now, the cool thing is that it's going to go ahead and load each of these videos onto our site, but it's not going to stop there. So instead of just bringing in the description of the video, which is usually just a bunch of promotion that the video creator put in there or a bunch of gibberish, what it's going to do is it's going to take the title of the video and then use ChatGPT to write a complete article on that video topic. So you can build out a complete site without having to come up with a single idea for an actual article title, because they're all going to be done from YouTube. So again, we check as many videos as we want. We can come down here to the bottom, and I'm going to click Import Posts. And again, what it's going to do, it's going to pull in that video to my site. It's going to use the video as the featured image. And then instead of bringing in the description, which is again usually filled with a bunch of promotional links and all that the video creator used, it's going to use ChatGPT to write a complete article on that video title. So it's going to build out all of these posts on your site. And again, you don't have to do any keyword research. You don't have to come up with titles. All you really need to do is click the videos you want and let the software go to work. Alright, so now if I go look at the site, you can see it brought in those videos I specified. So again, we used the video screenshot as a featured image, so that's done. We brought in the title of the YouTube post, and of course, in most cases, the titles of YouTube posts are going to be good because they're being optimized. And then what we did with the software, we came in and wrote an entire ChatGPT article based on the title of that video. So now we have a complete page of content. We have a video. Everything is completely done for us. So again, it's a simple way to build an entire site around any topic and not have to worry about coming up with keywords, titles, what to write content on. You simply do a search for the top videos. We're going to bring those videos into your site, which of course having video on your site is great, and then use ChatGPT to write out the entire content of each and every post on your site. So again, in just a matter of minutes, they have a complete site ready to go and start earning them commissions. So again, with the TubeBuildr AI software, we have a full sales funnel in place like we always do. We have a JV contest ready to go. So go ahead, let me know if you need absolutely anything for the launch, and I look forward to sending you some commissions.